How to fix Spotify error code Auth 74 on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. And now you will search just for for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.